All right, so here's everything it comes with right here. Here's the instruction manual. This is the main piece, and as you can see, it just looks nice. It's stainless steel, and it's very easy to use and easy to install. So what you do is you want to take this piece, screw it on like so, and basically you're going to screw this on all the way up to there. These two washers help prevent leakage. From here, we'll take the hose, and basically what you do is you'd hook the hose up in there, and you'd be good to go there. Then what you do is you'd come down here, and one of these three caps will be used on whatever soap dispenser you use. So one of these three caps is going to fit that. Let's just pretend right now that this is the cap we're going to put on. And so you're going to feed the hose through there. And before we put that into the soap right here, we're going to take this piece and we're going to put that on here like so. And then you're going to put that into the soap. And from here, what we'll do is basically we'll pretend that this is all installed and everything, we're good to go. But all we have left to do is basically we want to get this tube out of the way from underneath your sink. We don't just want this tube hanging around. So what we'll do is there's three of these pieces right here. These three pieces. I'm just going to show you one for the sake of the video, but basically you're going to put this around the tube. So that's around the tube. And what you do is basically you would stick this to the wall underneath your sink. That way the tube is out of the way and you're good to go there. So all in all, very just amazing, easy to install. And then it even comes with these sponges. So this is a sponge, and when it gets wet, it expands. So that's amazing. Easy to use, easy to install, looks nice. Oh, another thing I want to add is this can be cut. This tube can actually be cut. If you want it shorter, you could just cut it. But if you want to keep it this long, what you're going to want to do is once that's all installed, just pump this like 30 times. And because it takes a little bit of time for the soap to travel into this. But once you pump it 30 times, you're good to go. And from then on, you just pump it once, it comes out. So amazing. Highly recommend.